Fucked up 3 of my wings on my bloody job already away. The wall mounted vanities. Bases, I should say. So I fucking back. For some reason I thought to myself the other day they need to go back because I have had quite threaded ones before.
Yeah.
But they didn't need to. They should have been forward. Can't blame myself.
That's how Sam was holding one down.
So otherwise they would have only gone in 15 mil. Okay, I thought about it. I'm real fucking ridiculous.
Is that the fixing brackets you're talking about?
Where you drill the hole and then you wind the fixing bracket in. So you know what I mean, how it like expands out. You don't put it in with a tool, you have to do it with a crescent.
Yeah. Oh, so the bolts are quite long, they probably would have reached.
Yeah,
why did you put them back?
It would have only gone in 15 mils.
Why did you put them so far back?
Don't know what
Did you think wingbacks were going on them or something?
Well, I can't remember what I thought. You know, I had to fucking notch it out to get my wingbacks in. So, you know, be able to fix them on another wing. The wing. We've got 2 phones for you.
Oh yeah, look at that.
One's recording and one's for live.
Yeah. Yes.
That's a bit bent.
No, it's supposed to be bent. It's not too bad. But it's...
Give it a CRC out. Some diesel in there.
Oh, look at that fucking mint.
Yeah, you sit on it and it'll fucking squeaky. What, would it not turn over or just...
Oh, it turned over. Yeah, it even started.
Yeah.
For a little while, and then it just stopped, and then there's no fuel getting to it, so we fucked around with it a little bit up at his house, but we kind of gave up because we weren't getting anything.
And what did he think about it?
What did he think about it?
Was it what you know? Was he like, oh fuck it, I haven't started in ages. Surely you fucking start something before you try selling it.
Well, that's what I would have thought too.
Fucking plastics are pretty mint, aren't they?
You're going to keep your hope for it?
And you can't really see through it too much, can you?
Wait.
Hold it up to the light or something.
Oh.
Partially. Well, something came out, I reckon.
Yeah. There was something in there.
It's not now?
Oh yeah, it's clear. It's 50,000 bastards.
Oh, yeah, that's probably what it was. There was
Yeah,
something
that
in there,
little
eh?
thing, that little, I don't know, probably something in
I hope so.
There's a cool fucking supermoto for sale. Fuck. Pretty tempting.
Supermoto, yeah, you should.
Fucking KTM 450.
Ooh. Nice.
Fucking good price.
Electric
On it, but
Does it know how many Ks it's put on it?
no, it doesn't.
Right, what I'd quite like to do is to attach
camera, but it's glowing.
Why is my exhaust glowing red?
What the hell?
Is that worth?
That is insane.
Probably no fucking oil in it.
That is. Oh my
Is it
god.
oil in it?
I couldn't see it.
Oh, I don't know.
It was bright.
You can't.
It
No,
was
there's no
glowing.
response at all in the throttle. You go like that, and it
Oh, it's
it
because
revs up, and then
new mic goes.
no, it stays revving.
Oh my god. Oh.
Fucking actually glowing red.
I mean, I've seen some exhausts, go blue and stuff.
Blue.
Change colour. You know, when you like that, they shine up the exhausts when you first
Let's put
start.
it. That would
and they
actually
riv it.
fucking.
Why is my header glowing red?
Why is your head red?
Why is my header pipe glowing red?
Because you're a giga.
Now that if you rode the bike like that, it'd fucking blow it up.
That's so.
You're either running real lean, not enough fuel, or your timing is too late, retarded. So, lean cylinder makes a lot more heat.
You could cook like meat on it. Make like a little pan. Start cooking some eggs. Hot bastard.
Maybe we're in freckle ass. Freckled ass.
So timing could be fast. Too late. Did you put fuel in, or did it come with?
Well, it was running off the carburetor fuel. I sprayed a little bit in, and then it was running off the
But
carburetor fuel.
oh,
But it was
yeah.
still, while it was running, it wasn't overflowing, and then it started overflowing.
So is the fuel in the tank
Yeah,
from you guys?
yeah. Well, they put some in, but
Oh, okay. Well, I just didn't make too much difference.
It was only on for a fucking minute and then started glowing. So if you rode that, it'd fucking blow up. You'd crack the fucking your cylinder or something. It's not fucking normal then.
No.
no. But it says it's from running too
The
lean.
muffler's like way too hot as well. Shouldn't be that hot.
Mm.
After like a fucking 4 hour ride, it should be.
You-
But not after fucking 30 seconds of fucking going.
Well,
That was.
when I mean it's running too lean. I don't know why or what's going on with it, but Jim will know how to sort that out. I don't
Maybe.
know.
Ring him and say the fucking. After a couple of seconds, the header was already fucking glowing red. He'll fucking love that. He'll be like, mate.
Such a shame you couldn't see it on camera. Would have been lit.
What are you spraying on it? Don't do that.
See, I said-
That's
Oh.
paint. That's actually petrol. I put petrol in there to spray into it because it.
Smart man.
A lot of engine ticking noise after. It's been running.
Obviously, something was running pretty hot in there.
Way too hot. Just a little bit hot,
Neighbouring freaking ice.
Oh, yeah, no, I'm just gonna get it round to him, I guess.
Tell him what happened.
Yeah.
It's hot. Actually hot.
It definitely doesn't smell like how it should smell.
It's hot through there. Feel
Yeah,
that.
that's fucked.
Feel that. It's warm. With juicities.
Actual fucking glowing.
Yeah, I know why that's all discoloured now. I know why they put that in. I know why they did that. Maybe that is
I
actually.
mean, fuck, is there even oil in the basket?
Well, I don't know. Well, we can check that now. We can.
If
If you
it
bring
drain,
over the socket set, I'll take this bash plate off.
if it draining the oil
And we'll
moments.
drain the oil, and I've got an oil filter today because I'm such an evil bastard.
Oh, it's on sale. Oh, yeah. Okay, was it?
That's fucking shit.
So,
I mean, it started pretty easy. Yeah, fuck that. I wouldn't write it how it is now.
I wouldn't even like ride it for a minute. Not even a minute.
I've got a feeling this is gonna fucking blow up on me, dude.
Is that the feeling you've
I
got?
got a feeling
What?
that I met
Is that the feeling you've got? Is it?
before. No, I got a feeling.
What screw is that? Is that an Allen key screw?
Like all the fucking.
There was a Phillips screw, but
No, I think that's a Phillips as well, but it's like
B, can you see my phone, please?
it's a little bit rounded out.
Well, I can.
Yeah, it's rounded out. Unfortunately, oh, it's got shit in it. Oh yeah, it's.
Son of a motherless ghost. Alright, you can try and take that bolt here out,
Yep.
which is just holding it, and the other one up there, which is just a holder.
And then it.
And I will look. Oh, where's the torch?
Try this bolt out. This obtuse bolt right here. Is it even the right size? No, it's way
That
too
was fucking pretty
small. Way too small.
Actually, hit it with fucking glowing red.
I
We've
think
seen that before though, haven't we?
13. Oh, it's so hard to get out.
Fucking oh, yeah.
Yes, we go. This is how hard it is. Oh my god. Okay, was that easy? Okay. Oh, shit.
Use a screwdriver to help keep those sockets out. Turn that other light on, please. That one there.
14. Losing all the 10 mils back.
Actually, fucking glowing like a bastard.
Well, all I've got to say is at least something happened.
Is it not even? Okay, it's gonna be a 16.
What else did we send it on here?
Oh, I don't know, was it a remote control car or something like that? Or one of Caleb's cars? I think it was going red. That was from maybe even water in the tank.
16.
Oh, the fuck. Oh, yeah, the Mirage.
Mirage.
Wasn't that the alternator?
The alternator? What do you mean the alternator?
It was something fucking like that.
Was.
The alternator thing glowing red. I would be worried for my life if that happened.
Right, Pills. Just come and hold your bike for a second. I'm going to whack it.
Truth fucking.
Is it? Is that?
I think these hold 1.1 litres of oil.
They have the oil pump that fuck or something. Oil pump.
Cool. Potential, yeah, maybe. The water pump, I mean.
So much shit that could go wrong.